Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag questions practice, Part 23. S.S.C. Sylhet Board 2016. Your letter gave me much pleasure, your letter gave me much pleasure, didn't it? I am glad to inform you about our sports day, I am glad to inform you about our sports day, aren't I? We decorated the school campus colorfully, we decorated the school campus colorfully, didn't we? Among the events sack race and three-leg race were interesting, among the events sack race and three-leg race were interesting, weren't they? None could resist laughter watching these events, none could resist laughter watching these events, could they? Like, share and subscribe please. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir Sir.